So hello everyone, my name is Shunku and you know that this is my channel, and previously throughout the year I have already shown you my plant. This is the hibiscus rosa plant, and as of today it has actually produced 810 flowers. So as you can see, there are this flower and these are the buds that you can see. These are actually all the buds that are about to bloom in the next few days, like 7 or 10 days. So this is the flower. Each and every bud actually is growing out of the branches. So these are actually all the branches that are growing, and each and every branch is having some flower. So as you can see, every single one of them actually having flower. So yeah, so I have been using this, what you call say, master seed cake, gypsum salt, iron powder, and what do you say, this calcium carbonate, CaCO3 water filters that are present in the home. So I have been using this, and as you can see, this the result. And if you like this video, you can like, or if you like this kind of more this kind of videos, I can make more. So yeah, there is a smell of Maggie coming from somewhere, I don't know, from the like northern winds are actually bringing this smell, and I'm feeling hungry. This is the morning, 8 a.m, sorry, 7 a.m right now. Yeah, so I'm going to eat now. You can like this video, you can subscribe to my channel, and if you want more this videos like this, please let me know in the comment section below. So thank you, I'll see you in the next one.